Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our SkillTrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer m and the array 1 containing m integers. In the same way, we must also accept the integer n and array 2 containing n integers. So, after getting our inputs, this array 2 will have only even integers, and then the size of the array 1 is equal to the number of even integers in array 1. Sorry, here it is array 2. So the size of array 2 is equal to the number of even integers in array 1. The program must merge the array 1 with array 2, in which the each integer in array 2 should come after the respective even integer in array 1. So first we must accept integer m and n, then array 1 containing m integers, and then array 2 containing n integers, that is only even integers, and the size of array 2 is equal to the number of even integers in array 1. And then the program must merge the array 1 with array 2, in which each integer in array 2 should come after the respective even integer in array 1. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have this is array 1 and this is array 2. So now we must iterate over the array 1. So first we have 12. So we'll print 12. And then we'll go to array 2 because 12 is an even number. So since 12 is even number, we go to array 2 and print 100, and then we'll continue the iteration. That is, we have 45. 45 is an odd number, so we'll continue. So after this we have 78. 78 is an even integer, so we must print an integer from array 2. So 100 is already printed, so now we'll print 200. And then we have 56. 56 is an even integer, so we'll print 300 from array 2. And then we have 23. 23 is odd, so we'll print 23 and move to the next iteration in array 1. Next we have 10. 10 is an even integer, so we'll print 400 from array 2. So this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case we have, this is array 1 and this is array 2. So first we must print 50. And 50 is an even integer, so we'll print 48 from array 2. And then we have 63, which is odd, and then we have 87, which is odd, and then we have 66, which is even. So we'll print 32 from array 2, and then we have 3, and then we have 89, and then we have 35. So this will be our output. We are going to solve this program in C programming language. So first we must accept the integer m and n, then array 1 and then array 2. Then we'll call the function merge even, and then we'll print the required output. So in the function merged array, first we have to allocate memory using the malloc. So we have int new array equal to malloc of m plus n into size of int. So this will allocate memory for the new array. So then after that we have int index equal to 0 and array 2 index is equal to 0. So now we must iterate over array 1, that is for int array 1 index equal to 0, array 1 index less than m, and array 1 index plus plus. So while iterating through the array 1, we are going to append it to the new array. So new array is of index plus plus equal to array 1 of array 1 index, and after appending we are going to check whether if that integer is even. So if array 1 of array 1 index is even, that is mod 2 equal to 0, means we are going to take an integer from array 2. So we'll have to append the integer from array 2 to the new array, and here you use plus plus. And after this, finally we'll return the new array. So in this function merged array, first we are allocating memory for the new array, and then we are iterating over array 1, and we are checking whether if it is even, then we are going to print an integer from array 2, and finally we'll return the new array.